Good morning, MG-NutriVita community. Welcome to our channel, your space for cultivating health and well-being. Today we're diving into a concept that's at the heart of true quality of life, the indissoluble connection between mind, body, and the pursuit of a full life. Have you ever stopped to think about how each of these pillars influences the other? Often we focus on just one aspect, forgetting that we are an integrated system. But what if I told you that the key to a vibrant and purposeful life lies precisely in nurturing this harmony? Get ready, because the journey we're about to begin will transform your perception of health and well-being. Let's start with our central command, the mind. It's the epicenter of our thoughts, emotions, decisions, and even our perception of pain and pleasure. Mental health isn't just the absence of illness, it's the ability to cope with life's challenges, to learn, to feel and express emotions in a healthy way, and to contribute to the community. How do we nourish this mind? Firstly, through awareness. Practices like meditation and mindfulness help us live in the present, reducing anxiety and stress. It's not about emptying the mind, but about observing thoughts without judgment, allowing calm to settle in. Another crucial aspect is stress management. Chronic stress is a true thief of energy and mental clarity, directly impacting our immune and digestive systems. Developing strategies like diaphragmatic breathing, relaxing hobbies, or even simply disconnecting from screens can make a monumental difference. Furthermore, the mind needs constant stimulation. Learning something new, reading, solving puzzles, interacting socially, all of this strengthens neural connections and keeps our mind agile and young. And we can't forget the vital importance of sleep. A sleep-deprived mind is a mind operating in the red, compromising memory, mood, and decision-making ability. Prioritizing quality sleep is a fundamental act of self-care for our mental health. Now let's turn our attention to the body, our physical temple. It's the vehicle that allows us to experience the world. And for it to function at its maximum capacity, it needs quality fuel and movement. Nutrition is the foundation. It's not about restrictive diets, but about a balanced diet, rich in nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. Think whole foods, colorful vegetables, fresh fruits, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Every meal is an opportunity to nourish your cells, boost your energy, and strengthen your immunity. Small daily changes like adding more vegetables to your plate or swapping a soda for water are already a big step. And of course, movement. Our body was made to move. Lack of physical activity not only leads to weight gain and cardiovascular problems, but also affects mood and energy levels. You don't have to be an elite athlete. The important thing is to find an activity you enjoy and that fits into your routine. It could be a daily walk, dancing, swimming, yoga, or strength training. The simple act of getting up and stretching every hour makes a difference. Movement improves circulation, strengthens bones and muscles, releases endorphins, the famous happiness hormones, and also helps regulate sleep. And don't forget hydration. Water is essential for all bodily functions, from digestion to temperature regulation. Finally, we come to a full life. This pillar transcends physical and mental health, encompassing meaning, purpose, and joy in our existence. A full life is built on meaningful connections. We are social beings. The support of friends, family, and community is fundamental to our emotional and psychological well-being. Cultivating relationships, expressing love and gratitude, and offering help to others are inexhaustible sources of happiness and resilience. Furthermore, a full life involves purpose. What moves you? What are your passions? Having goals, however small, and pursuing what gives us joy and meaning propels and fulfills us. It's crucial to understand that these three pillars, mind, body, and full life, are not isolated islands. They form an ecosystem. A stressed mind can lead to digestive problems or a weakened immune system. A tired and malnourished body can negatively affect mood and concentration. And the absence of purpose or meaningful connections can undermine both mental and physical health. True health is a state of balance and synergy. Think about it. When you exercise, you're not just strengthening your muscles, you're also releasing endorphins that improve your mood, mind, and give you more energy to pursue your goals. Full life. When you dedicate time to meditation, you're calming your mind, reducing the stress that affects your body, and gaining clarity to make decisions that enrich your life. It's a virtuous cycle. Start small. Identify an area where you can improve today. Maybe it's a minute of conscious breathing, adding a fruit to your breakfast, or sending a message to a friend. Every step, no matter how small, brings you closer to a more balanced and full life. Remember, the journey to a mind, body, and full life is continuous and incredibly rewarding. It's about self-care, self-knowledge, and the constant pursuit of your best self. We at MG-NutriVita are here to guide you every step of the way. If this video resonated with you, hit the like button, share it with someone who needs to hear this message. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our content on health, nutrition, and well-being. Which of these pillars do you feel needs more attention in your life today? Share with us in the comments. Your experience can inspire many others.